Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wannan shine video namu na 17 a cikin wannan series da muke mai suna Koyi Javascript. Kamar yadda na faɗa, insha Allah zan yi bayani akan Javascript tun daga farko har zuwa gwargwado abin da ya kamata a ce mutum ya sani a ciki. Idan ba za ku manta ba, video namu na ƙarshe mun yi bayani akan if statement, inda muka yi bayani if statement, conditional statement da yake ɗaukar condition. Once that condition is true, zai return in a particular statement da muka bashi. Yau insha Allah za mu yi bayani akan else statement. Else statement. Wannan else in kaman ɗa ne na if statement. Kamar misali, lokacin da na bada misali a video da na karshe, na bada misali a Excel, na ce duk lokacin da ka ce if C1 is equals to 20, comma, za ka bada value if true. So a Excel mun sani ko yaushe Excel yana ɗaukar value is if what? If false. Value if false. So this else statement is the value if the conditional statement is what? Is false. It's like among opposite in she if statement in. So it's like wannan else in shi ne. Duk lokacin yanzu da na ce if A is less than or equals to 50, for example, less than or equals to 50, sai na ce ta yi returning field. So once it is not less than or equals to 50, if I use else statement, is going to give me the statement da na sa else statement. So shine abunda wannan yake yi. So kenan if the condition is not true, then it's going to use the else statement. But if the condition is true, it's going to use the if statement. So shine abin da yake. So wannan if statement yana da else statement yana da sauki sosai. Shi ma kamar yadda muka yi if ne, kawai ƙari ne za mu yi mu ba da wani information. Kenan if not kaza kaza, if not kaza kaza. Kenan if not A or if not true is going to be false. If not yes is going to be no. So that's what this else statement did. So let's see what we can do. If you can recall, in our previous example we put A, then this A we say equals to 50. That's what I said in the first statement. So we are going to say if, then we put this. So we are going to say if A is greater than or equals to, let me say 50, then I'm going to put these curly brackets. Inside them I'm going to say document dot write, then I'm going to say past. So that means once the statement is true, once you score, for example, exam, when you score 50 and above or equals to, from 50 and above is passed. So I'm going to say, for example, I'm going to create the else. So for the else, you need to come at the end of these curly brackets. At the end of this curly bracket, the second one, closing one. So you see, there's the first one. Do you see, this is the opponent and this is the closing of the curly bracket. So at the end of this, just write else. Just write else and create another curly bracket. You see, so then you press enter like this. So like you create this inside, just click on tab, then you are going to say document dot write, then I'm going to say field. So what this means is that once you didn't score 50 and above, definitely you are failed. Is failed. Kenan once muka samu anything less than 50, definitely it will take the else statement to failed. But idan muka samu 50 and above, it's going to take the statement of what? If. So the condition now is true, this is here, but if the condition is false, it's going to give us this statement of failed. That's what we created just now. So let's see if it works correctly. So now we have 50 and what? And above. So let's just refresh. We are going to see pass because what? Because our A is 50 and we say 50 and above. So let's just create, like I did before, let's just create window.prompt so that we collect the statement. So write your score. So I'm going to put this, sorry. So I'm going to say write your score. So if the score is 50 and above, it's going to say pass. If the score is less than 50, it's going to say what? It's going to say failed. So let's save it and refresh the page, and it will ask us write your score. So this is it's asking us to write our score. So I'm just going to say our score is 48. So definitely it's going to say failed. you failed because your score is 48. So if I refresh, well, my score is 51, it's going to say pass. If I say my score is 29, it's going to say failed. So this is what if and else statement did. If is the true, if the condition is true, while else, once the condition is not true, it will take the else statement. So we are going to create another thing again for the year. So I'm just going to say write your age. Write your age. So I'm going to say if you are, and let me say 18 equals to 18, then I'm going to say you are eligible. So I'm just going to say you are not eligible. So like this, if I create this, if your age is equals to or greater than 18, it will return you are eligible. But once your age is not greater than or equals to 18, is going to say you are not eligible. So let's just check this and see if it works. Write your age. So I'm going to say 17, then it's going to say you are not eligible. Or let's just ask sorry, you are not eligible. So I say sorry, you are not eligible. So yeah, to put sorry so that someone will feel more distant. So if I say 19, you are eligible. So if I said 12, it says sorry, you are not eligible. Try again later or something like that. So this is what this if statement did and what else statement did. So try to learn this, try to work with this. Can you practice so say? Can you create an abu under at least it will work for you. Zaka ji daɗi idan kana creating wannan, kana creating different conditions. Can you creating different conditions? Once the condition is kada, is going to say kada. Once the condition, because we can create a lot of things. I can do a lot of things with this, because I can even say write your name. For example, I can say write your name. Write your name. I say if A is equals to, let's say, Ahmad, so I'm going to say welcome. Welcome plus A, because it's going to say if A is Ahmad, it's going to say welcome plus A. So but if not, I'm going to say sorry, you are not. Sorry, you are not Ahmad. So let's just save it and see what will happen. So if I refresh it, then I say Ahmad, it's going to say welcome Ahmad. You see, so welcome Ahmad. So if I refresh it now, I say write your name and I say Abubakar, it's going to say sorry, you are not Ahmad, because it's just going to say welcome Ahmad to only someone who is Ahmad, equals to Ahmad. So I'm just going to add space here so that we will have a space there. So I'll just say welcome Ahmad, because yeah, is definitely is A, the A is Ahmad, the where we stored Ahmad. So you see, if I refresh it now and we work with it, it's going to be put a space. So if we watch the right name and say Ahmad, welcome Ahmad. But anyone who is not Ahmad, if I say Aminu, is going to say sorry, you are not Ahmad, because it will only say welcome to only someone who is Ahmad. So you can do a lot of things with this if statement and else. So you can try it, and do a lot of things. We covered a lot of things. So kai copying ka je ka dauko abun da muka yi da yawa, then you try it, inshallah it will work for you. I think I will give assignment, maybe I will see what I can, so that maybe people will just find it more interesting instead of creating assignment da kansu suna dan trying, because once you are not trying all this, zaka manci ne, zaka ga abun da sauki amma zaka iya mancewa. So dan zamu tsaya inshallah cikin wannan video, zamu ci gaba inshallah da fatar Allah ka samu dace. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.